Imagine waking up to a blanket of snow so thick it obscures the world outside. In March 1888, the Northeast U.S. experienced the Great Blizzard, a storm that would forever alter transportation. Known as the Great White Hurricane, it struck on March 11th, unleashing snow, winds exceeding 45 miles per hour, and temperatures plummeting into the teens. Within hours, over 400,000 people found themselves trapped. New York City, already bustling, faced unparalleled chaos. Streets became impassable, and trains were stranded, with some passengers trapped for days. The blizzard claimed around 400 lives and left thousands homeless. It prompted a national reevaluation of weather forecasting and communication systems. As the storm raged, telegraph lines failed, leaving cities isolated. This disaster underscored the need for better infrastructure and paved the way for improvements in snow removal and weather prediction. In the aftermath, cities invested heavily in their transportation networks, leading to the eventual creation of more reliable systems. The lessons learned from the Great Blizzard of 1888 resonate even today, reminding us of nature's power and the importance of preparedness in the face of unforeseen challenges.